Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the WaxRhyed 18-in-1 soldering iron set with LCD screen. It's a soldering wire, a clean ball, and a desoldering pump for electronic repairs. The LCD soldering iron set comes with an equipped awesome LCD display, which allows us to see the current working temperature at a glance. The temperature can be adjusted by turning the temperature control knob, range from 200 degrees Celsius up to 450. Each time the knob is rotated, the temperature is raised or decreased by 50 degrees Celsius, making the time to reach the present temperature shorter. And we have an exclusive patented design. The 4 ventilation holes on the soldering iron and the 4 ventilation holes on the tube have better heat dissipations than other. The power consumption is lower than a normal soldering iron on the market, and it is more energy saving. This portable electric soldering iron is equipped with an improved high-strength heat-resistant handle, which is non-slip design and comfortable to grip and hold. At the same time, a thick rubber thread is used to make the device durable, resistant to against aging, and safer more to your hand. This soldering iron set can meet all our soldering requirements. It contains a soldering iron, 5 different soldering iron tips, desoldering pump, 50 grams of soldering wire, soldering iron stand with a sponge, a tweezer, a screwdriver, a wire stripper, and 2 adhesive of tapes, 2 cables, a cleaning ball, and a particle PU storage bag. These soldering iron tools are a good choice for soldering circuit boards, DIY repairing household appliances, and soldering jewelry. Both electronic enthusiasts and beginners in electrical engineering studies can use it without any problems. When the soldering, wear safety glasses. Of course, if we are going to use it, we should wear safety glasses and keep all hair, loose clothing, and jewelry secured and out of the way of the tool. We may also want to wear safety gloves. Be sure that we are working in a well-ventilated area, or use a foam extraction device. The fumes from the flux are toxic. If the solder we are using contains lead, we wash our hands after we finish the soldering job. First, determine the right temperature for our project. Which temperature? You can look for it. That means which material you are going to work with. Then maybe you will need a higher temperature than another iron as well. Once we can control it, then we can adjust the temperature, and then it will be heated up. Okay. Once our iron is heated to the appropriate temperature, we pick up the iron by the handle in one hand and hold the piece of solder in the other. We hold the hot iron to the place where the 2 metal components will meet for about a second to heat them up. We want to heat the metal parts, not the solder itself. Then we touch solder to the head components. As the solder melts, it will flow into the gaps it needs to fill. Continue to feed and solder until a sufficient amount is melted. While we need enough to form a solid connection, we don't want to have too much solder either. The right amount will vary from project to project. This typically won't take more than a few seconds. Then we allow the solder to cool down a little bit. A good connection will appear smooth, uniform, and shiny. We make sure that aren't any problematic gaps between the components or globs of exceed solder. And then job's done. Then we will clean the front side of the soldering iron, and then it is. We can continue. We switch it off again if you like, and then we can make a new project going as well. It's the model MH2001. The temperature ranges from 200 up to 450 degrees Celsius. The nominal voltage is AC 110 volt up to 220. The temperature display mode is an LED digital display. The nominal frequency is 50 up to 60 Hz, and the power is 80 watt. The weight is only 0.27 kilogram. It's a soldering iron kit by WaxRhyed, and you can use it really nice for beginners because all what you need for a soldering iron job is in that box here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.